Good morning. I'm Ubaid Ansari. I'm gonna talk about animals. Now I'm gonna talk about snow leopards. They are friendly. You can tame them and play with them. Now I'm gonna talk about elephants. They are dangerous animals. Don't tame them. Now I'm gonna talk about lions. They are dangerous animals. Don't tame them. Next we got crocodiles. They are reptile animals. They're also dangerous. No tame them. Then we got turtles. The turtles, they are friendly. You can tame them and keep for your pets. Thank you so much. Take care and Allah Hafiz.